Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Really quick, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has supported my channel over the years. I wanted to get feedback from you guys. So I created a survey. It is just a 2-question survey, and everyone who completes the survey will receive a 5% off discount code off of anything in my Etsy shop. It's basically just a way to see what you guys would like to see from me moving forward. So if you guys could complete that survey, I would greatly appreciate it. I will leave a link to the survey in the description box. Okay, so now for the painting you're going to see in the video today. It is one of the gradients with the Dutch pour over top. Once the gradient base dried, I laid the transparent base on top and then blew the colors on top of that. So I'm going to show it to you guys. I love how this turned out. This might be one of my favorites, to be honest. I love how you can see the background through the lacing. You can even see part of the circle right here through this lacing. I just think that's a really, really cool effect. Now I will say I did not videotape me doing the entire background, but for the circle, I actually used a dinner plate. Of course, you can use any stencil you want, but I just laid my plate down, drew around the plate, and then went back in with my beige color and filled in around the outside. Very, very simple, and I think it has a really cool effect. So the colors as well as the formula will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Oh, and also please don't forget to fill out the survey. Link in the description box.